Good evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. The markets actually started off the week quite optimistic as the Nifty was very close to the all-time closing high at 6,200. However, the week did not pan out as expected, and while the benchmark indices did remain near the 6,200 mark for the first half of the week, in the second half there was some correction. Finally, the Nifty ended the week at 6144 and the Sensex closed at 20,683, so slightly lower than the all-time closing high. For the week itself, both benchmark indices were down around 0.7 to 0.9%. Today it was absolutely flat. If you look at broader markets, then some pockets did see quite sharp corrections and some did see sharp gains. Among the losing side, it was the realty stocks which lost out the most during the week itself, and capital goods stocks gained a lot. The BSE Capital Goods Index was up as much as 5% through the week. In fact, that was mostly thanks to L&T, which gained around 8.5% through the week. If you look at what happened today, the IT stocks were back in demand. The BSE IT Index was up around 1.5%. At the bottom of the pile, once again, it was realty stocks. The realty index was down around 2.3%, and also capital goods stocks saw some profit booking, and the capital goods index was down around 1.6%. If you look at some result reactions, TVS Motors reported its Q2 numbers and beat expectations with a 97% increase in net profit, but a lot of that did come from one-time exceptional income. Nevertheless, the company has been reporting good sales volume in the monthly sales report, and that is also getting reflected in the stock price. Today, the stock price did spike up after the result announcement, finally finished up around 2.1%. Also, ICICI Bank reported numbers which were better than expected with a 20% increase in net profit. The bank has also guided for a margin expansion in FY14, and NPAs remain quite subdued. That stock price also did gain after result announcement but finished pretty much flat. Another stock which reported numbers just before closing was ITC, and that company disappointed on its results in some of the segments. The stock finally ended around 0.7% lower. One group of stocks which saw sharp decline today was the Adani Group. Adani Ports in fact reported its numbers for Q2, around 24% increase in net profit, but financing costs increased, so maybe that's impacting the group stocks. Adani Ports and Adani Enterprises both were down around 6.5%, and Adani Power was down around 5.6%. Coming back to the Sensex names, IT was the top gainer, so TCS was up around 2.9% and Wipro gained around 2%. At the bottom of the pile, it was metal stocks. Hindalco was down around 4.7% and Tata Steel fell around 3%. Now, for the coming week, everybody will be looking at the credit policy review, which is scheduled for the 29th, and how that is going to impact the market. However, a 25 basis point increase in the repo rate has already been factored in. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.